Hello children, good morning to all. In this class we will discuss lesson 5, class 3 social studies, workbook early humans. In our previous class we have discussed lesson 4, understanding the past. Answer in one word. I request all of you to take out page 82. 1. Early humans were also known as hunter-gatherers. Early humans were known as hunter-gatherers. Why? Because they killed animals for their food and they moved from one place to another. 2. Time period when tools were mainly made of stone. That time period was known as Stone Age. Why that time period was known as Stone Age? Because the early humans used tools which were made of stone. That's the reason that time period was known as Stone Age. 3. Places that saw animals and scenes of hunting. The places which saw animals and scenes of hunting, that place is known as caves. In caves, we get many information about animals and scenes of hunting. Also, whatever the records kept by the early humans, they painted in the caves. They recorded and kept by painting on the wall of the caves. 4. Early humans made huts from this. What were the things used by the early humans to make huts? Branches of trees, leaves, animal skins, and stones. These were the things used by the early humans to make huts. B. Fill in the blanks. 1. Early humans used dash to hunt animals from a distance. What did the early men use? The early men used spears made of woods or stones, and they joined, they tied into long sticks. These spears were tied into long sticks so that it becomes possible for them to hunt animals from distance. The answer is spears. 2. Early humans saw that the plants grew better after it rained. So the early humans saw that the plants grew better. The plants also need water to grow after it rained. The answer is rained. So that's the reason they started living near the river so that they can supply water for their crops. 3. Early humans began to settle down in deserts and villages. Early humans began to settle down in communities and villages. It means that they started living together in groups, permanently in a particular place for a long time. 4. Animals like donkeys were also used as a means of, the answer is transport. So, what was the animal used by the early humans? They used donkeys to move from one place to another. They used as a means of transport. There were many animals domesticated by early humans, but one of the animal which was used by the early humans as a means of transport was donkey. So donkeys were used as a means of transport. C. Arrange the story of early humans in sequence. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. So what you have to do is that you have to arrange this in order. Means which activity, which work was first started by the early humans and which was started later. So this you have to arrange in sequence, means in order. Which activity was first started by the early humans and which was the second, which was the third activity, and which was the fourth activity started by the early humans in order. You have to arrange this in order. So if, for example, if this activity was first started, you have to write here 1. I'm just giving an example. This is 1. Again, after this, if this activity was started by the early humans, then what you have to write here? 2, 3, 4. So in this way, do it yourself and send it to my number. So dear children, I hope you understood about lesson 5 early humans workbook. Thank you. Have a nice day.